Okay, here are 10 very weird, unusual ways that I got people into my website in 2022. We did the research, we look at Google Analytics, and I made a quick list for you so you can try as well. If you're looking for more ways to spice up your digital business, put your offers in autopilot, make sure you subscribe. I am sharing what we're testing and what's working right now for my business, for the agency Everstream. So let's get started. So the first one is marketplace. I actually figured it out the wrong way. I had an Etsy shop a while ago, like when I was doing a side hustle for styling, and I never took it down. But I noticed they were getting in my list through this Etsy downloadable link. Something for styling, not my people, but it's certainly something that I am going to do more intentionally this year is to create a mini downloadable, a PDF, or even a graphic, something that relates to my actual offers and put on marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or even Amazon. Even if you're not selling a lot of this downloadable or this PDF, you keep coming up on the search. So the second one is podcast interviews. I did a couple of interviews just for my friends, like people that asked me, nothing formal, very small podcast, by the way, in 2021. But throughout 2022, those podcasts referred over 2,000 people, unique visitors to my website. So it's something that I'm definitely, again, like looking into 2023. I'm going to invest a little bit more into going and interviewing podcasts so I can leverage that type of traffic, because I honestly did nothing for it. And 2,000 people, I don't know for you, but for me, is quite a bit. Number 3 is commenting. This is the weirdest by far. But I noticed that when I was promoting or actively commenting or engaging with people, on the internet, like maybe for my content, like the blog, or maybe this type of video, I noticed that people were signing up for my newsletter, the 2-hour workday, a lot more often around those times. When you're more visible and you're more out there and participating, they want to check you out and they end up in your lists. Number 4 is testimonials. Okay, so if you hire or work with a great copywriter, graphic designer, or in my case, I worked with a video editing group that was fantastic, and they used my video, my edit video, as a case study. I gave them permission, and they were really nice and put my website on it. So people, when they saw my video, and if it was relevant to them, the topic that I was talking about, they would get to my website. Number 5 is stages. So last year I participated in a few virtual stages or summits, as we call them in the industry. And because I offered a special free bonus for the attendees, I got over 600 people on my list while I was getting paid commission to sell the tickets or the upsells for those summits. So getting on stages, either in person, or if you decide to go the virtual route, is excellent for your business, is super great return on your investment, time and money, but you might need a little bit of help to set it up. It's not that easy to get into those opportunities. So I have a link in the description right below if you need more help learning how to get into stages. Honestly, until a few weeks ago, I didn't even know most of those traffic hacks. So if you have a weird or unusual way that you're driving traffic or people to see your offers in your website, please comment below. We really want to know and crowdsource more ideas. Number 6 is sponsorships. This is new to me, honestly. Like, I will know more in a few weeks when my sponsorship actually comes up and works. But nowadays we see a lot of digital creators or course creators is sponsoring newsletters, events, YouTube videos, podcasts, and etc. You can get thousands of people to visit your website, but again, it will cost you a few $1,000s depending on where you're advertising. Number 7 is informal coaching. So a lot of memberships or Facebook groups may need your expertise or advice, right? For example, I'm in Amy Porterfield's Momentum, and I started just pitching in, helping people get their courses in Evergreen. If they had any questions about ads, I would go in and respond. wholly for free, not pitching, not trying to poach anybody from the group. And now I actually create special content at their request for the members of the group. So you can start being this informal resource or coach that they can pitch in and kind of bring you into the conversation when needed. Number 8 is articles. So this is more of a traditional PR experience. And another one that you probably are going to need a little bit of help to set it up. I'm linking in the description below a few ways that you can learn more, but you can actually share and pitch your story or what you do to online mediums like CNBC Make It, Entrepreneur. They can publish your article. And at the bottom of the articles, you can link your website or a special offer. Again, this is evergreen, super exposure. Thousands of people can actually go to your website that way. And every time that someone searches for that topic, your article may pop up. Number 9 is joint ventures. Any sort of mini partnership kind of can come into this category. And the easiest way to set it up is by going live together on Instagram or Facebook. It's very easy to set up, doesn't take a lot of time. You can also do a shared blog post, or you can do affiliates or things that take a little bit more working out. You can create a lot of excitement. People really love seeing you interact with the other person as well. Number 10, in-person networking. So the good old handshake is alive and well. And if you want to hand over your proverbial business card, and remember to have an easy link that they can refer to. For example, my website is robertawest.com, very easy to remember. Or you can have your offer name or anything that is really easy for them to remember. If you want to learn even more about making money online and, putting things on autopilot, head over to the description to join the newsletter 2-Hour Workday. I am sharing not only tips and advice, but also templates and frameworks, coaching opportunities, everything for you to actually put in practice. Guess what? In 2 hours or less. And if you like this video, again, please comment below. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.